वन्दनं जय गणेश श्रीगणेश वन्दनं वन्दनं मन्दहास करिवदनं गणपतिं वन्दनं जय गणेश श्रीगणेश वन्दनं वन्दनं मन्दहास करिवदनं गणपतिं वन्दनम् अभिवन्दनम्
श्री गणेश चरणं श्री गणेश चरणं श्री गणेश चरणं
Madam, I want to speak some little words because I'm already spellbound. There's a beautiful ritual. It's done here. I feel like a queen today. So thank you, Guruji, to invite me this beautiful and wonderful International Dance Day celebration at that Venkateshwara temple. It's one of a dream for me come true. It's blessing. So thank you so much, and thanks to all. Thank you. And ma'am also. She is very good-hearted. Thank you all. Thank you. Nice organization.
And I really feeling blessed and so much energy, positive energy here. And thank you so much. And this is it's continuations. I'll take in my next part, next journey. Thank you so much. It's really beautiful experience here. I performed and feeling blessed. And once again, I would like to come here. Thank you so much. Thank you.